Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 Wi-Fi connected but no internet access. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all in the search box type ncpa.cpl. Open a ncpa.cpl. Select an internet adapter which is used to connect your internet. Right click and go to your properties. Select an internet protocol version 4 and go to your properties. Select a use the following DNS addresses server. Use a preferred DNS server is 8.8.8.8 and alternative DNS is 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrative privileges. After that, type a command is netsh space int space ip space reset and press enter. After doing this stat, type a command is netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. After that, type a command is ipconfig space /flash DNS and press enter. After doing this stat, type a command is ipconfig space /release and press enter. After that, type a command is ipconfig space /renew and press enter. After doing this stat, exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer. And I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the first of all, in the search box type ncpa.cpl and open it. After that, check the name of the your adapter. In my case is 802.11 USB wireless LAN card. So close it and go to your device manager. Open device manager, and after doing this step, select a network adapter and expand it, and in my case is a USB wireless LAN card. So right click on update driver, click on search automated from drivers, click on search for update driver on Windows Update. So check the updates. After that, if any updates available, then download and install in your PC. And after doing this step, restart your computer. I'm sure that after doing this step, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box, type a device manager and open a device manager. Go to your network adapter and expand it. Select a USB wireless LAN and network adapter. Right click, go to your update driver. Click on browse my computer from drivers. Click on let me pick pick from a list available driver on my computer and select a wireless driver model and click on next to continue. After doing this, I close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.